Hello everyone and welcome at our today's meeting with a few news stories from the world of science that have caught my attention today. We'll start in the area of genetic editing, where one of the technologies you might know of is CRISPR, a technology that has gained so much prominence in recent years that it has been awarded a Nobel Prize in a recent memory. However, there are still issues with its deployment for real-world applications, and so other technologies are being developed as well. One such technology is being described in an article in Science, and the question is posed whether this technology might actually be better than CRISPR itself. Another story that caught my attention today comes from chemical and engineering news, and it's from the world of regulatory affairs surrounding chemistry, and specifically relating to the chemical glyphosate, which is a key ingredient in the herbicide Roundup and its generic variants. This compound has been labeled as a carcinogen by various groups. However, a recent review completed by the European Chemical Agency has led to the conclusion that it is not a carcinogen in their opinion. We can now move over to an article in Nature that has caught my attention. It deals with the nutrients, micronutrients, especially metal ions such as iron and copper, which are essential to life, but can also be used as a weapon of warfare between a host, complex organism host, such as a human being, and an invading pathogen such as bacteria, where the host can either deny the bacteria access to this vital nutrient, or can flood it, because while iron ions and other micronutrients are vital in the appropriate amounts, they become toxic in excess. And so we can call this effect nutritional immunity, being used by humans and other more advanced organisms. Another story from chemical and engineering news that caught my attention today was the fact that there is growing evidence for the fact that parts of the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein, when they are cleaved from its original protein into smaller pieces, can form amyloid fibrils, which might be the reason for some of the adverse effects we see with COVID-19, whether it's the drastic cases of the disease itself, or the well-known long COVID that also takes place in some cases. Another disease that has been gaining attention in the news is, of course, Monkeypox, which has been for many years endemic in various parts of Africa, but has now been detected in various countries around the world. And a new paper or article in Nature poses and answers several questions around the reason why this virus has, after many years of being confined to a specific region of the world, broken out into other parts of the world. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you again tomorrow.